How to grow granadillas. Granadillas, a type of passion fruit, grows as long vine that reaches up to 50 feet tall. It produces exotic flowers like all passion fruit varieties. The plant grows in tropical and subtropical areas as it can't tolerate winter frost. The vines produce edible melon-like fruits that have aromatic, sweet flesh. Granadilla fruits year-round and has no specific harvest season for the fruits. With proper care, the granadilla vine provides evergreen foliage, attractive flowers and edible fruits. Things you will need: trellis, plant ties, fertilizer, pruning shears, knife. Train the vines to a trellis as they grow. Tie the granadilla vines loosely to the trellis with cloth plant ties every 8 to 10 inches along their length. Follow the natural path of the vine up the trellis, allowing vines to cross over each other. Water the soil at the base of the vines once a week so the soil remains moist without becoming soggy. Granadillas require about 1 inch of water a week, though they may need more if the soil dries quickly during the dry season. Begin fertilizing granadillas in late winter or early spring before the vines begin putting on new growth. Supply a balanced granular fertilizer, such as a 666 blend, using the amount recommended on the package for your plant size. Apply the fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks, never giving the vines more than 6 ounces of fertilizer at a single feeding. Prune the granadilla vines in late winter when they aren't putting on new growth. Cut out the dead vines at the base. Trim back damaged or weak vines to the bud and the nearest healthy portion of the vine. Harvest granadillas when the rind of the fruits becomes glossy and begins to turn yellow near the stem. Cut the fruits from the vine with a sharp knife to prevent damage to the plant. Tips: warnings. Granadillas prefer full sunlight and rich, slightly acidic soils for the best growth. Pollinate the flowers by hand 4 hours after the blossoms open in the morning to ensure successful fruit set. Take the pollen from the hair-like anthers around the center of the blossom, using a small paintbrush, and brush the pollen into the center of the flower where the female reproductive organs are located.